Second part of 6.2, the number E talks about continuous compounded interest. Previously, we've had compounded interest, which is A equals the beginning amount times 1 plus the rate divided by the number of times compounded in a year, times, or to the power of number of times compounded times the time. Now, when you have continuous compounded, that means that your n is going to grow to infinity. It's going to be every millisecond compounded. So we know that that n is going to be compounded. Now this equation right here can be done with a limit, as we could change this. So ultimately we would see that the inside here would be an E, and it would eventually equal A equals PE to the RT. So whenever you see this keyword continuously, it will always be there if you use this equation. If it's compounded continuously every millisecond, then the amount remaining will be A, and the beginning amount is your P, E to the power of the rate times the time. Basically an easier equation than this one. Let's do one problem that involves this. Talks about your friend's account of money and your account of money, and the question says which has the greatest principal. So the greatest principal means who starts with the most money. Your friend is 4,000, you are 4,500, so I guess it would be me, not your friend, because you could say 4,500 is greater than 4,000. And what about after 10 years? 10 years, that's going to be right here. So that's going to be just below this 7,500 mark or 7,500 mark. Let's see what it is when you plug it into the formula. A equals 4,500 E to the 0.04 times 10. So 4,500 E to the 0.04 to the power of 10. And when you evaluate that, what you end up with is $6,713.21, which means that you are going to have more money than your friend. Actually, you're going to have less money than your friend because this is going to be about maybe $7,300. So which one has greater balance after 10 years? Your friend. Hopefully they'd go out and buy you some lunch because they have more money than you at that point. But you'd have to still be their friend after 10 years. So compounded continuous interest, which is a formula that involves Euler's number.